So welcome back guys to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to be modeling the bread box and be doing the cloth animation for it. So first of all, open your scene where we last left off, and before starting to model anything, we are just going to save it quickly. So Control Shift S as usual, and hit plus, and save it as version 3 of Wood and Barrel, and save as. So in the last video we left off in modeling and animating the cloth of the barrel and adding the texture on it. So today we will be, as I said, modeling the red box and adding the plane animation on it. So of course, let's start with adding the cube and grab it to the Z axis, scale it down, and then scale it on the Y and scale it down on the Z, like that. Scale it down on the X too, and now we're going to grab it down and rotate it on the Z, G, and then Shift Z, and then grab it to the side here. So we will rotate it a bit more. I will scale it down since it looks too big to me. I'm just going to grab it down, and now we are going to go to, before that I'm just going to grab it to the side. Let's go to edit mode, right click, subdivide 2 to 3 times. Now we are going to add a loop cut here and a loop cut here. So after adding the loop cut, select this loop cut and then GG, grab it a bit to the side, do it for the rest of the side edges too. Don't go to the edge, or else it won't do the cloth animation so good. So let's save now, and let's go to face select mode, and if you look closely you can see there's a rectangle in the middle. That's this one, and then we're going to hit E and then Z, and now we will go down and then tab. Let's scale it down on the Z axis, and I'm just grab it down like that. Now save, and let's go to select your box, and let's rename it quickly and name it as box bread, or the opposite. I'm just doing it quickly. Now select it and then go to the modifiers and add in a subdivision surface, and then increase the level of viewport, right click, shade smooth, and then we're going to go to right click, set origin to geometry, right click and convert to mesh. So let's do the set origin again and save your project quickly as Control S. Now we are going to do the cloth animation. We are done with the box. Shift A, add in a plane. So grab, set to the top, rotate it on the Z axis, and then scale it on the X, and also on the Y. Hit Y and X 2 times. Grab Shift Z and position it right above the box. Now we are going to add in a cloth physics to it, and also add in a collision to the box. So let's play quickly. Select your plane, right click, let's go to edit mode, subdivide and make it maybe 60. And if I play now, that looks really good. And don't be scared that the cloth is not falling inside too much, because we won't be focusing inside a lot. Like, we are going to put the bread and we won't be seeing inside the box, so don't focus on small details. Now I will just scale up the cloth a little bit and play. Let's go to the beginning, and I'm going to do it shade smooth. I will go to the modifiers and add a subdivision to the cloth, make it 2. And now select your cloth, go to the physics tab and add in a self collision down here. Now if you play, you look, it's just collapsing into each other. Now we are going to pause and select it and decrease the distance and increase the impulse clamping. I'm just doing a random number. So if you play, you can see it's fixed immediately. So before doing anything else, go up and then change from angular to linear on linear and play. The animation looks really satisfying to watch. I will let the animation render throughout, and the animation is really satisfying to watch. And now we actually finished doing the cloth, but if I look closer, I can see the cloth is going that way, like sliding that way. So I will increase the end to 200 so I can see better. Look, so it's moving that way. Look at that. That looks horrible. That's actually satisfying. It looks like silk. That was so nice. Anyways, we don't want that, so I guess the problem is that, let's go into extreme mode. The cloth, we need to rotate it on the Z, and then I'm going to grab it to the side. And now if I play, like that, we have finished our box and cloth animation. And if you want, you can play around with the settings, like increase the air velocity to maybe, let's make it 20. I'm just playing around, don't know what is the consequences. So just play around, and of course don't forget to save. You must have seen that in the previous video, what happened. If you haven't, I don't know what to say. So now save again, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and thank you for watching and coming along with me to the end, and bye.